Hi, this latest exercise really uses the power of the group for what it's there for, to help each other. When group is going well, it's one of the most powerful experiences when everybody's vibing and helping each other. So this group is about discussing life lessons learned from some positive experiences and from some negative experiences. We all know there's something to be learned from every experience. So gets the group to share. It's an interactive exercise, but hopefully after it's processed, people can draw some positive things to move forward with, which is definitely the goal. We want our group attendees to leave with some positive messages. So one thing to keep in mind, since it is the group sharing lessons that they've learned, we sometimes, as the counselor, if someone might every once in a while share something that's a little off, somebody, they have different backgrounds. Somebody might say something that's not so helpful, like tell a story and then say, "Oh, I've learned to beat up everybody that gets in my way." Obviously, that's not a good life lesson, but so be prepared to kind of guide those things in a non-confrontational way. So, but overall, I think with a strong group, you can really use this exercise to get everyone sharing and contributing. And then again, there's some questions at the end that are there for processing and trying to end on a positive vibe and trying to end on some things to take home. I always try to leave the group with that. So this last bit, to summarize, some are going to know what I'm talking about and some people are going to have no idea what I'm talking about. But, to sum it all up, just from my own perspective, in the days of my youth, I was taught what it means to be a man. But, now I try to do all those things the best I can. And still, no matter how hard I try, I find my way to the same old jam. Good times, bad times. I'll let you take it from here.